Hey guys, I'm back. I got a new video. I ordered this. It's a new belt buckle from Cooters. So it's from Cooters Place. And if you don't know what that is, it's a Dukes of Hazzard museum run by Ben Jones himself. And yeah. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a minute to open it, but I'm gonna open it up on video for you guys. Alright, open that. Oh. Paper bag. See it. Oh yeah. It's nice. It's in the bubble wrap. So this is what it looks like. Rebel flag. It's pretty cool. It's got a good weight to it. I'll show you what happened to my old belt buckle that I was wearing. Hold on, I'll be right back. There it is. Alright, so what happened with this one at school, I was in a hurry. I don't remember what I ate the night before, but I walk up to my manufacturing teacher. I'm like, hey man, I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta take a dump. So he writes me a pass. I go to the bathroom. When I'm running in there, it's like about to come out as I'm speaking. And I'm running the bathroom, and I pulled down my pants too fast, and pulled the belt kind of when I tried to pull down my pants, because I had my legs kind of like this, you know. And I pulled the belt, like my pants down, and it busted the little hinge on the back of the belt buckle. Like you see that little metal hinge right there on the back of the belt buckle? That busted. So, yeah. It sucked. But, yeah. So, here's my belt right here. That's the belt. I'm going to put that on real quick. Sorry about me putting the phone down. I keep doing that. I don't have anywhere to put it. So, this is how I got to do it for right now. I didn't really think about this, because it just came in today after, like, while I was at school. I was like, oh, I got to open that. And yeah. So, I'll go in the bathroom and show you what it looks like. I broke that belt loop right there at school today. Alright, that's what it looks like right there. It's pretty cool. I like it. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. See ya.